Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Я Sam Georgi, and in this video I wanted to give my reaction to the official Ukrainian entry for Eurovision Song Contest 2022. It is called Stefania and it is performed by Kalush Orchestra. So I'm gonna play their performance from their national selection and give my opinion on the song and their performance. This already sounds so good. I really love this. I absolutely love how Ukraine manages to mix different genre every time. Like last year with Go Away with Shum, this year they're mixing rap with the ethno part, and it just works so well. And their outfits are all traditional. And this ethno voice. This is gonna do so well. People are gonna love this. This is so good. This is so good. And now this part again with the flute. This is fun. This is also ethnic, also modern, and it's a great package. It's a great combination, and I'm really glad that this is going to Eurovision for Ukraine. And I love that there is rap, because we don't actually see that much rap in Eurovision, and I hope that changes because we need to hear this as well. And a rap in Ukrainian with this ethno traditional part in the music, in the outfits, in the backdrops. I mean, Ukraine always knows how to do the job. And it's so catchy. Oh, there's also that's the Stefania, the Mama Stefania. I don't know if she's gonna make it to Turin. I mean, I don't know if she's gonna be on the performance in Turin, but it would be nice to have like her photo or something during the performance. And the crowd is loving this for a reason, because it's really good. Now the crowd is gonna love this. The audience in Eurovision is gonna love it. The televoters, the jury. This is an absolute qualifier. I would even say that this is gonna be in the top 10 in the final for sure. This really has the potential to do extremely well. And also during Eurovision and after Eurovision, when Eurovision finishes, I think this could be a real viral hit, like a hit on Instagram, TikTok, you name it. I think this is a great choice. Bravo Kalush Orchestra, this is amazing. So overall, once again, Ukraine is sending an incredible entry to Eurovision. No one is surprised because they really know how to do Eurovision. And the record that they have of qualifying every time from the semi-final is there for a reason, because they always deliver some really good songs, really good performances and artists. And this year is going to be the same. So we're going to be seeing Kalush Orchestra in Turin, hopefully. And yeah, fingers crossed for a great result. And yeah, good luck Ukraine with this. And yeah, if you like, what do you think of the song? What do you think of the performance? What do you think of Ukraine's chances in Eurovision? Let me know in the comments below. Let's discuss. And thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, well, keep in touch, because I'm going to be doing reactions to a lot of other Eurovision songs. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one. Ciao.